Hi, I'm Simon. Meanwhile just announced the latest smart controller CMU2. It comes in two versions, standalone or rack mount type. It is equipped with touch panel and optional communication protocols. The most important is that the firmware and software are ready for various applications, such as power management, burn-in system, EV charging, and horticulture. Today, I'm going to introduce the CMU2 with our CMU2 demo kit.
Before we start with our demo kit, let's understand how CMU2 works. CMU2 is a smart controller that controls power supplies. When it combines together with multiple PSUs, it becomes a system power. You may ask, what can we do with the system power? CMU2 possess PMBus, CAN-bus, Modbus, RS-232 and RS-485. So the CMU2 is able to combine and communicate with the system. With the combination, you can achieve on-site monitor and control through the touch panel, or you can monitor and control remotely through the web UI. In addition, 4 programmable relays and 5 digital I/O allow users to enhance external monitor and control as well. With all these hardware, firmware and software in system power, we can achieve PV and PC functions, event and data log, remote on, off, digital signal and more. In this video, we'll use this demo kit for demonstration of CMU2. Let's start with the hardware design of the demo kit. We have the CMU2 touchscreen, AC switch and DC output terminal on the front panel. Ventilation holes are built at both sides for the built-in PSU, DPU 3200. In the back of the demo kit, we have the AC inlet, signal terminals and DC output terminal for full load usage. Next, we will be demonstrating the PV function. First, turn on the PSU. Then, go to Setting and choose Output Adjust. Adjust the voltage and then press Apply. Output voltage is now decreased to 39.1 volts, and try again with 37.7 volts. Next we will be demonstrating the PC function. After setting the load to 24 volts CV mode, adjust the current just like the way we did for voltage. The output current changes again from 25.7 amps to 27.2 amps. The log data can be read by pressing Log. All data will be shown on screen with time and date. Next part is the digital signal. Tap Setting, then I/O signal. Set the digital output of channel 1 pull high when PSU is on. Go to Status, then I/O signal. Output of channel 1 remains low, since the PSU is in the off state. Let's turn on the PSU with PSU on off in Setting. The channel 1 of I/O is now in the on state. Next, we'll use iPad to enhance wireless control demonstration. The IP address is preset in demo kit. Connect to wireless router through LAN. Therefore, the iPad is now able to control through Wi-Fi. Let's see how it works. We will repeat the remote on, off and PV and PC functions. As you can see, all the settings are done with iPad now. Both the voltage and current parameter will change as soon as the iPad sends out the command to the demo kit. Finally, we'll use the CMU2 demo kit as a DC source to deliver energy to our inverter NTU1200 to drive CMU2 on right side. Adjust the output of the demo kit to 26.2 VDC. Then we turn on the output of the demo kit. Next step is to turn on the inverter. Once the NTU1200 start to work, all LED will turn green. The CMU2 will gain the energy originally from demo kit and start working. This is the end of the demonstration. We hope you do enjoy it.